Chapter 5 The Nervous System. The skeletal system is made up of bones. The muscular system is made up of muscles. The nervous system is made up of, you guessed it, nerves. You have about 200 bones in your body. You have about 650 muscles to help you move those bones around. How many nerves do you think you have? 1,000? Nope. You have more than that. 10,000? That's still too low. Try again. 1,000,000. Believe it or not, that's still too low. You have about 1,000,000,000 nerves in your body. Dr. Wellbody points to an image of the nervous system. Your nerves allow you to keep track of what's happening in the world around you. The nerves send messages to the brain. Then the brain tells your body how to act. Have you ever walked outside and felt a chill that sends you back inside to get a coat? What happened was the nerves in your skin sent a message to your brain. The message was, it's cold out here. Have you ever touched something hot? Chances are you pulled your hand away pretty quickly. That's because your nerves sent a message to your brain. Nerves are important for our sense of touch. Without nerves, we couldn't feel heat or cold. We couldn't touch things and find out if they are smooth or rough. Nerves are important for our body. Nerves are important for our other senses too. Without nerves, we couldn't see or hear. We couldn't smell or taste other food. The nervous system with a signal traveling along the nerves to the brain. The nerves in your body are made up of nerve cells. A single nerve contains many nerve cells. Here is an illustration of a nerve cell. You can see that nerve cells have long, stringy parts that lead away from the center. The center of the cell is called the cell body. The stringy parts that lead away from the cell body are called dendrites. You can think of the dendrites as being like roads. Imagine that you want to send a letter to your aunt who lives in another town. Someone will have to put the letter in a car or a truck and drive it to your aunt's house. You might do this yourself. You might pay the post office to do it. When one of the nerves in your body wants to send a message to your brain, it sends the message out along the dendrites. The message travels along the dendrites much as a car or truck travels along a road. Each of the little green dots in the picture is a message traveling along a dendrite. The stringy part that leads away from the cell body are called dendrites. Has your family doctor ever tapped you on the knee with a little rubber hammer? Did you ever wonder why he did that? What your doctor is doing is checking your reflexes, which is another way of checking your nerves. A reflex is something the body does without us even thinking about it. If someone jumps out of a closet at you, you may flinch. You will tighten up the muscles in your body just in case the person is trying to hurt you. This is a reflex. When you pull away from a hot stove, that is also a reflex. When your doctor taps your knee, he's looking for a reflex reaction. If your leg moves a little, that's a sign that your nervous system is working as it should. The doctor checks a boy's reflex, which is another way to check his nerves.